Toothaches strike when you least expect, bringing intense pain. Whether it's a cavity or teething discomfort, finding quick relief is essential. Thankfully, natural remedies offer powerful solutions. Tooth pain can be debilitating, affecting your daily life. While professional dental care is crucial, home remedies can provide much-needed temporary relief. Nature offers potent options to ease the discomfort. These natural methods focus on reducing inflammation and numbing the area. They are accessible and can be used safely at home. Let's explore some of the most effective ones. Clove oil is a standout natural remedy for tooth pain. It's packed with antioxidants and possesses strong antifungal and antibacterial properties. This makes it highly effective against toothaches and even dental abscesses. Its primary active compound, eugenol, is key to its power. Eugenol provides a temporary numbing effect, significantly reducing pain. Studies support its traditional use for dental discomfort. Applying clove oil is simple and offers quick relief. You can use a drop or two directly on the painful tooth or gum. This method provides immediate numbing action right where you need it. For soothing teething babies, mix clove oil with an equal amount of coconut oil. Gently apply this diluted mixture to their gums. It offers gentle, natural comfort. Another option is chewing on a whole clove. This releases the oil naturally into your mouth. It helps numb the area and fights bacteria simultaneously. Beyond clove oil, a sea salt rinse is beneficial. Dissolve sea salt in warm water and gargle for 2 minutes. This rinse cleanses the mouth and has antibacterial properties to reduce swelling and pain. Peppermint oil also offers numbing relief due to its menthol content. A cooling sensation helps soothe the pain. You can even mix a few drops with clove oil for an enhanced effect. Reducing sugar intake is vital for preventing toothaches. High sugar levels worsen dental problems. A balanced diet supports overall oral health and can help keep pain at bay. Focus on whole foods to nourish your body and teeth. Good nutrition is a preventative measure against future dental issues. It complements topical remedies effectively. These natural remedies, like clove oil, sea salt, and peppermint oil, offer significant temporary relief. They are excellent tools for managing discomfort at home. Incorporating them can be a game changer for immediate pain. However, persistent toothaches signal an underlying issue that needs professional attention. Always consult your dentist to address the root cause. Use these remedies for comfort while you seek expert care. Ready to try nature's toothache solutions? Give clove oil or a sea salt rinse a try next time pain strikes. Share this video with someone who needs relief, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips.